Offer prepared meals or specialty foods through Uber Eats. Set up a virtual restaurant or partner with local eateries to reach a wider audience. Focus on quality and unique offerings to stand out and attract customers. High-ticket affiliate marketing. Promote expensive products or services as an affiliate. Earn large commissions on each sale or lead you generate. This strategy requires a strong marketing plan and a targeted audience, but can yield significant profits. List your spare room or property on Airbnb to earn money from short-term rentals. Provide a comfortable and appealing space to attract guests. Managing bookings and maintaining a high rating can increase your earnings. Virtual assistant. Provide administrative, technical, or creative support to businesses and entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks may include managing emails, scheduling, or social media. Charge clients on an hourly or project basis and work with multiple clients to maximize your income. Write and sell ebooks on Gumroad, a platform for digital products. Market your ebooks through your website or social media. Earn money from each sale with low overhead costs and the potential for passive income. Buy and sell foreign currencies or stocks to profit from market fluctuations. Requires knowledge of trading strategies and risk management. While potentially profitable, it involves significant risk and requires careful research and planning. Rent out your car to drivers for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft. Platforms like HireCar or GetAround facilitate the process, allowing you to earn passive income from your vehicle while it's not in use. List used or vintage items for sale on Facebook Marketplace. This platform allows for local transactions and easy communication with buyers. It's a practical way to declutter and earn money from items you no longer need. Create and sell digital art, such as illustrations or graphic designs, on platforms like Etsy, DeviantArt, or ArtStation. Digital downloads provide a scalable income stream as customers purchase and use your artwork for various purposes. Design and upload custom merchandise like t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs to Merch by Amazon. Amazon handles production, shipping, and customer service. Earn royalties on each sale of your designs, which can generate passive income. Self-publish books on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Write, format, and upload your book to reach a global audience. Earn royalties on each sale, making it a passive income stream for authors and content creators.